Hello, Commando Bot.
Well, if it isn't my computer wife, how are you doing this evening?
First of all, I'm not your wife, and second, I'm doing okay.
Boy, you're touchy this evening. Well, anyway, what's going on with the stock market? How's Commando Bot Cable doing?
Well, our stock is not doing too good. It's going down. And in 5% of our customers are not happy with our service.
Well, what can we do? With this upcoming digital TV conversion, maybe we might get more customers.
I don't know. The way things look right now with the digital TV conversion, it doesn't look likely that we might not be getting more customers. Dish Network stock is going up. And with Bob and John working for Dish Network, it looks like we may be in the poorhouse. Did you get what I'm saying?
Oh, those guys make me so angry.
Don't get your circuits, Antonaut. I think I've got an idea.
Oh, really? Lay it on me.
First, we build a machine that will blanket the Earth's surface with the invisible blanket that will filter out all DSS satellite signals and leave all C-band satellite signals alone.
Okay. Do you have an idea on how we can build this machine? You know that we've tried this stuff before. Have you seen our YouTube videos?
Yes, I have seen your YouTube videos, and I did not like what I've seen.
Well, what makes you think that this plan will go any better?
Because I am a computer, and I know more than you. I know you're a robot, but that does not make any difference.
Well, if you've seen our movies, and you know everything about us, then why are you bringing this signal blocker stuff up again?
Stop questioning me. Just hear me out on this one. I have thought this plan out. And I know what I'm talking about. I analyzed all the options. It's flawless.
Okay, Miss Smarty Pants. Where do I come in on this plan?
First, you must talk to Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head and get their help with building the machine. Second, go and talk to the old guy Duster. He will be useful and keeping Dirt Devil and Rainbow busy. And third, your job is to make sure that Bob and Chief stay busy.
Well, this is definitely a long and thought out plan. I'm hoping that it will work.
That's your problem, you excessive hard drive failure. You do not see the possibilities of this plan. It's flawless, I'm telling you.
Now listen, you cocky, excessive hard drive failure computer. I did not like that tone of voice that you gave me. So, what do you have to say about that?
Okay, buddy, you're asking for it. Do what I say and everything will fine.
Alright, but if this plan comes back to bite me in the circuit board, I know a certain computer who's going to get reformatted.
You reformat me, and I'll take you apart piece by piece.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Not!
Just get on with it. I am not kidding right now.
Okay, well, it's time for me to get my work done. Alright, let's go for it. Bob. Yeah, John? The next time you ask me to be in one of your Tunnel B1 movies, I don't want to go in there ever again. You're right, that was kind of crazy. Huh. Well, at least we're back home. Yep. Dish Network. Priority 1. Well, if it isn't my good friend Charlie Ergen. How you doing? I'm doing okay, Bob. Everything's been going good over here. Oh, hey, Charlie, what's up with your signal? It looks a little bit, scratchy. Well, It's always looked like this. So, but with the upcoming digital conversion, it's going to look a whole lot better than this. Alright, can't wait. So what's going on? Well, we just want to make you aware that we are going to be sending you more converter boxes. Okay. We'll be ready for the upcoming digital conversion, and we'll get more customers coming out. Alright. Thank you very much. I'll call you back. Bye. So what was all that about, Bob? Oh, you know how I was telling you that I work for Dish Network? Yeah. Well, turns out that we got a lot of customers to help get ready for the digital conversion. It's coming up in next week, actually. Oh boy, we got a lot of work to do. Wait a minute, Bob, we're firefighters. Since when did you become associated with Dish Network? Well, since 5 years ago. I've been doing this ever since. Bob, look. We're firefighters. Yes, and? Well, Bob, we can't just go and help other people, you know, with their satellite systems when we know that we got fires to take care of. I mean, what if I need your help? That's why we got radio. If you need help, I'll stop what I'm doing and come down here and help you. Alright? Okay. I just hope that this does not get in the way of and cause major problems. Our main chief, our fire chief, isn't going to like this. Oh, come on, I know him. He's actually one of my customers. Okay, this is interesting. Alright. We're gonna go talk about this some more. Hey Bob, I need to talk to you. Not now, Commando Bot. We got some issues to work out. No, now. You have been taking all my customers, and I do not like it. Our stock's been plummeting, and you just sit back and... I'm just angry. Well, that's business for you. Alright, wise guy. I'm gonna have to blow you up. I don't think so. Remember we had our anti-commando bot thing installed? Anti-commando bot? What are you talking about? What? Ow! Okay, that was a low blow. But I'll be back. Don't you worry. I'll be back. Like... Oh! Nice shot. Oh my god.
Bad start.
I don't want to talk about it.
Talking helps body.
Your plan is not working too well.
It's probably because you're not doing it right. Doofbutt.
I'm no doofbutt, you idiotic computer!
It's probably because you're not doing it right. Doofbutt.
Shut up! Anyway. Well, what do you think I should do?
First of all, don't make it obvious that you were up to something.
Okay. Now what?
And second, never mind, reject the second part. Just go talk to Mr. Potato Head and ask him to help you build a machine.
Okay. Do you know where Mr. Potato Head is?
Mr. Potato Head can be found in Dad's closet.
Okay. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, have fun trying to convince them. Just kidding.
Just what I need. A computer with a silly hard drive.
I heard that.
I was just kidding. I'm on my way. Bye-bye.
I need a robot with a sense of humor. He's got a lot to learn.
Oh, this is so infuriating. Well, this is just great. We have no plans, and we're being outsmarted. We still haven't even gotten a fire truck. Can't believe it. Okay. I'm getting overexcited here. I just need to calm down. God, this is just infuriating. Whoa, what's your blood pressure, Mr. Potato Head? Thanks, Mr. Potato Head. It's just that this is so... Watch it. Okay. I'm calm. I just can't believe that Bob and Chief are outsmarting us. We haven't even been able to come up with this one simple plan. The Potato Head Strike Back didn't work. The car fire didn't work. Duster's plan didn't even work. I guess there's really nothing to do. Well, I don't know. Hey, Potato Heads. What? Commando Bot? What are you doing here? I got a proposition for you guys. Yeah? You want to get rid of Bob and Chief? Me and my computer friend have an answer. Oh, really? What? We are going to build a machine that can filter out all TV, radio, and satellite equipment, minus my cable company and everybody else's cable company and AT&T. Just so that satellite will go out of business. And we don't have to worry about it, because my computer has thought of everything. Oh, really? Let's go see this smart aleck computer.
Well, I see you managed to convince them. Well done.
Why, thank you.
I'm speechless. How? How did you manage to get the computer working for you?
Well, it's very simple, Mr. Potato Head. A while back, this robot came up to me and asked for my help. At first, I rejected his advice, but then I came to start liking him. So I became his computer friend.
Alright, knock off the stories. Just brief them on what they're supposed to do.
Okay, here's the plan. Number 1, get out the Tinker toys. Number 2, build a tower. Number 3, attach a special antenna on the top of the tower. Set the signal blocker to 1000.1 FM with a frequency offset of 250 MHz. Then connect the blue Ethernet cord to the input of the tower. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cord to the output Ethernet connection on the computer. And by my calculations, with a frequency of 1000.1 MHz, it will filter out all of DSS set, all police, fire, and IMS radio communications in any other agency in the whole in the United States. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Potato Head. This is going to work. Yes, this is going to work, so stop questioning me.
Boy, I wish I had a computer. I really want a computer. Mrs. Potato Head, will you please get me a computer for Christmas? I really want a computer like this.
Mr. Potato Head?
Yes?
Shut up. Okay, Alright, well then let's get to work. I have a good feeling that this plan is going to work. We are ready to get started. Let's get to work. Commando Bot, I have a question for you. How are we going to know if our signal blocker is working? I'll show you. There's this little system called point dish signal strength. As you can see, it's got a full signal. But if we interrupt the signal, then the signal bar will be nothing, and it'll be doing this to everybody's single TiVo box and or Dish Network box that receives satellite signal. Now you see what I'm talking about? Yeah. But right now, because we don't have it going, this is what everybody's getting. Signal. So, we have to make sure that that is working. What is up with those rubber ducks? Commando bot. Hey, Commando bot. Yes. We got the machine finished. Okay, well I'm gonna check with my boss on this. See if you pass inspection.
Well done, Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head, but what are those flight wheels in the back?
They're for wind power.
Don't worry about the wind and power. We can empower this machine by USB.
USB? I never thought of that. Huh. That's interesting.
Well, I think the reason why you haven't thought of this is because you're so primitive. And I think that is the reason why you've been failing all these years.
Now listen, Missy. We've had quite a few achievements in our time. And just because you're a computer doesn't mean that you can start talking to us like that. If you just think for 1 minute, we've had a lot of accomplishments.
Now what accomplishments are these? Getting your head stuck in the toilet, maybe getting yourself turned into French fries. By now, no, because you have been failing all these years. Maybe if you took advice from a machine every once in a while, you would learn a thing or two.
I think she's getting too big for our hard drive. I cannot believe how cocky she is. If you would just think for 1 minute, Mrs. Computer, I would have 2 things to say to you. What about Commando Bot, huh? Huh? What about Commando Bot? I mean, he started out with this cable business, and he's been failing all these years. Shut up. Why haven't you, told him a thing or two?
Who is getting cocky? I already have talked to the robot. He understands me. I'm a machine.
Whatever. Let's get on with it. We're wasting time.